Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Apple Music library not syncing. So first of all you need to check your network connectivity, ensure that you have a stable and good internet connection. The second thing is enable sync library. Go to your settings of your music on your device. To do so you just need to open up your settings and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see music and simply tap on this. So once you are in, you need to look for the option of iCloud Music Library. So unfortunately I don't have that option as it is not available in my country. So once you have checked for that, make sure it is enabled. At last, you need to simply restart your iPhone. If there are some glitches or bugs, you need to make sure to restart or even update your iOS. So, hope this helped. This is how you can fix Apple Music Library not syncing.